बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। काजी अब्दुल मलिक अख्तर साहब, he is asking about NPS scheme. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For a private sector employee is investing in NPS National Pension Scheme for pension after retirement is halal or haram? Jazakallahu khairan. Dear brother Qazi Abdul Malik Akhtar Sahab, NPS scheme central government launched after 31st December 2004 and they completely closed government pension schemes and they implemented NPS scheme only for government employees. But after some years, 1st May 2009, government announced NPS scheme for all common people, any private sector employee or any common Indian, he also can investment in NPS scheme. So we have got all details about it. So we found NPS scheme government taking 10% of your salary, salary percentage from your salary, 10% of your salary, and then government including 10% by government. So it is 20%, and this 20% government investing in government sector companies like gas companies, like petroleum companies, like many companies in India by government sectors. So government investing your 10% and then government's 10% in government sectors companies, it is no problem. Government returning you after you have you take retirement from your work, your job, or your policy will be complete. So then you will take 10% for your saving. You have investment, you are invested 10%, then 10% by government, and you are both 10% by your both monies. Any profit, any refund, any return you got by investment by government. So all three packages you are taking by government, so it is completely halal and jaiz for you, because there is no any minor conclusion by interest or sood or riba. So it is completely halal for you, for private sector employees, for any common Indian. If he want to invest in NPS National Pension Scheme and other schemes also like Atal Pension Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandhan Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Karm Yogi Mandhan Scheme, Swalamban Scheme, like all such schemes also by central government. It is completely halal and jaiz for Indians and for us, for Muslims also. There is nothing, any single doubtful options for us. So no problem, you can take it. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.